Well, during Cocaine Cowboy days, they would fly planes into Brevard County, to rural areas, and land them there and offload the cocaine. They would drop cocaine, wrap it, and cannabis, bales of cannabis. They would drop offshore, and then speedboats were oftentimes painted black to try to avoid attention by customs. And then they would offload it offshore, and then they would get picked up and be brought in, and then they would be distributed, of course, not only in Florida, but other areas. They would cut the cocaine certain ways. They would so-called stomp on it, which would mean that the cocaine would be, its state would be altered so that they could sell more of it. It was a wild, wild west in terms of criminal law during that time in Florida. A lot of deaths, a lot of murders. When you get money like that involved, people want it, and they'll do things to get it that are illegal. So it was a very dangerous time in Florida. It was a time when money was very prevalent. It was a time when individuals moved illegal money throughout Florida, bought a lot of real estate that it's hard to track cash. So they would buy real estate throughout Florida, and they owned thousands and thousands of acres, the drug traffickers. I'm sure some of that property today is, I don't know who owns it all now. Thankfully, we were able to get a handle on it through law enforcement, but it was a dangerous, wild time in Florida